Good afternoon, everybody out there in YouTube land. This is CW back with you again with another novelty knife review this afternoon. Today I've got the MTech USA Xtreme MX-A805 series spring assisted folding knife, tanto blade, 5 inches closed, 9 inches open. Item weighs 8 ounces. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. There we go. Alright, so this knife is a, oh man. So this knife is a beast. This is a big fat knife with a big fat tanto blade with a little indentation in the blade there. Feels pretty heavy. Like I said, it's 8 ounces. I don't know, it doesn't feel real good in my hand. I'm not really liking how that clip really feels over there. Maybe it's a left-handed knife. Maybe it's better. Yeah, it fits better in my left hand, I think. Feels a little bit better. It's supposed to be spring assisted, but this thing is pretty tight. It's pretty tight with that flipper. I guess it's I've messed with it a little bit already looking at it, but it's loosening up some. But I think I'm really gonna have to loosen up that little old screws right there on the top or something, because it just doesn't really. Oh man, and trying to do it with the thumb stud, that's not really happening. It's not really happening. And then the flipper is pretty hard, so I think I'm just gonna have to loosen it up or else just play with it a little bit more. It has a lanyard spot down here, but I don't know if you can see. I'll probably have to do a little close-up, but the tip of the blade goes into the lanyard hole, so I'm thinking if I got something in here for a lanyard, it's probably going to get cut up by that little tip of the blade sticking out there. I don't know why they did that. That's just a manufacturing defect or what? Let's see this. Try to get that through there. Oh yeah. There it goes in a minute. So I don't know why that little tip is in there. Let me see if I can get up here close to the camera so you can see that. See the tip of the blade right there? That's the tip of the blade sticking through the lanyard hole. So I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. Feels like it's pretty sharp though, so let's just see. Let's try cutting a piece of paper, because everybody cuts paper with big fat knives, right? Oh yeah? That's that little indented part right there. Oh yeah? It's pretty sharp right there. Let's try this this bigger part right here. Oh yeah. And let's try like the little old tanto part right there. Yeah, it's pretty sharp. Yeah, it's pretty sharp. Oh yeah. Pretty sharp. Let's see what it'll do against, let's say, a zip tie. Maybe your loved one or best friend or something got kidnapped by the mafia and you got to go rescue them. Maybe they got their hands zip tied behind them. Hopefully they used just regular old zip ties like I got here, not like the big heavy duty military zip ties. But will it cut through these? Oh yeah, Not too bad. What about some 550 paracord, 7-strand, 550 military spec paracord? Will it cut through paracord? Oh yeah, no problem. No problem at all. No problem at all. I wonder if this little saw blade will work. I don't really have anything to saw. Hey, what about a piece of belt? Will it cut through a belt? Let's try it and find out. Oh, it's not really wanting to cut through that leather belt, right? Oh, maybe it's just because I ain't holding it hard enough. No, it really doesn't want to cut through that. Nah. Oh, there it goes. With a little effort, you can get through a pretty good sized leather belt there. Wonder if it'll make sparks on the old ferro rod here. Uh-oh, it doesn't look like there's really any place to do that. Maybe right there. Maybe right there in that little curve we can do that. Oh, yeah? There we go. Oh, yeah, there we go. So, yeah, it's not really an everyday carry. It's a big fat knife. It's a big fat heavy knife. I think it's going to feel fat and heavy in your pocket. And let's see. So this is a toilet paper roll, just a regular old size toilet paper roll. That thing just barely fits inside there. Can you hear it? So that's how fat it is. It's like toilet paper roll fat. So, and it's heavy. It's like 8 ounces. That's a half pound. There's a half pound in your pocket for everyday carry. So I don't know. I think it was just a cool novelty knife, so I got it. It was, oh man, how much was that thing? Look on there. $14.98. Got it from Bud K. Just under $15. So I thought, well, it's not bad for a novelty. It's big and fat, and it looks mean and aggressive. Really, can't say that it really just feels good in my hand. That clip right there's, and there's no holes on the other side, so it's really only for one side. I think it's a G10 handle. Let me see, where's that sheet? Right, G10 handle, pocket clip, 5 inches closed, 440C stainless steel. I don't know, it just says stainless steel on here, U.S. premium design, precision crafted in China. Yep, expertly handcrafted in China right there. Anyway, I'm not knocking the knife. It is pretty nice. It's pretty neat looking. Yeah, that it locks pretty good when it's locked, and it is pretty well centered, and it looks like right on centering. Let's see if we can get up here and see that. Yep, see there? That's centered pretty alright right there. Precision, Chinese precision. Alright, well I guess that's it for my review. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I guess everybody have a good afternoon, evening, morning, whatever time it is you're looking. And thank you for watching. Click like or subscribe.